Good morning, guys. Today I'm taking you through what I eat in a day while living in an RV in Mammoth, California in the winter. Every day is kind of different, but I try to stay on like a vegetarian mostly diet, I guess you would say. This morning I think I'm gonna try to make some pancakes. I don't have pancake mix, but I'm gonna try to like make my own with, I think I'm gonna do oats, banana, eggs, psyllium, cinnamon, some protein. So we're gonna see how that goes. So my recent morning routine has been these vitamin C packets from Symbiotica. I'm actually running out of these greens, so I need to get more, but crisp apple greens from Rookie Wellness, and then also B12 and B6 from Symbiotica. So I've been mixing these in with some water. Just gonna do about 6 pumps. Add some ice to it.
Like looking straight. You're like, should remember that. I'm gonna remember that. One post a day with. You see videos on some of them. The most great thing I've seen. So we get six followers on X, and then we can keep.
I got this package from Armra. It's their colostrum, so I wanted to do an unboxing and show you what's in the box. I do UGC content creation and influencer content creation for a living, and I receive so many packages every month. And oh, it's cute! Oh my god, they gave us a little whisker! Oh, we got a new whisker! Electric whisker. I am very excited. Oh, this one looks like a heavy duty whisker. Okay, now that I opened that, I want to show you what I'm making for lunch. It is 1 o'clock and I'm just gonna put some things together. This is what I'm thinking. I think I'm gonna do some tofu with broccolini and then these gluten-free brown rice elbow pastas from Banza. I am obsessed with this sauce. I put it on almost everything. Just gonna put a little bit on here and then just let it simmer. Noodle down. 2 noodles down. Okay, so this is what I made. We're gonna eat this really quick and then get ready to go skiing, hit the mountain for a little bit, and then go to the gym and then come back home, and I'll show you what dinner is. Okay.
Staying in shade, blood 8, like those are all like people want.
Alright guys, the last thing that I am making for the day is 7 mushroom mocha, like a hot chocolate. At night, I just use my frother, some oat milk, some of this, and some honey, and it just makes the perfect nightly beverage. So I'm gonna do that, wind down, watch some Netflix with Nick, and then call it a day. Oh, it was just way too.
Way too slow. That killed me.
Now to take off my makeup.
That sport you didn't know anything about.
Oh my god.
Yeah, dude, they do this in the Olympics. Lawn today. Yeah. You have
That
to,
looks so uncomfortable. Honestly, it does. Thank you guys for watching this video and seeing what I eat in a day while living in an RV in Mammoth, California. I will see you in the next one.